Hello and welcome. This is just going to be a quick visual presentation aid due to the likelihood of me not being able to make it to class live. So for the Project 5 of the Tech Industry Innovations, my innovation is actually a very simple one, and I know some people have been running into it due to the whole COVID, everybody's stuck at home, and the increase of food being ordered out. So the current situation with your food containers is that your food containers often will capture and trap the steam of the meals that you order, and this tends to reduce the quality value of the food that you receive because the steam will remove the crispness and will often leave your food soggy, soaked, or covered in condensate. The solution to this is actually very simple, and I've seen it done individually with to-go containers by the restaurants themselves in order to solve the problem. And that solution is very simple and extremely straightforward to the point of being novel, that you just need to put additional vents in the containers that contain fast food. Due to the fact that the food is typically coming straight out of the fryer and going into the container, you are trapping a lot of excess steam, moisture that would normally escape off the food while it's being served on a plate, but ends up getting caught within the styrofoam impermeable container. This condensation then condenses and falls back down onto the food, taking your crisp, crunchy French fries into a soggy, lip saturated wad. And that produces extremely undesirable food. So the solution to that is exceptionally simple, that you just pre-make containers meant to carry the fried food or carry certain things like burgers with built-in holes that don't structurally damage the to-go container. And this will actually allow you to provide a higher quality of food to your customer with a very small overhead to the original container itself. This is a seemingly innocuous thing, but it can greatly impact the quality of the food and the likelihood that a customer will reorder from you. So it is a critical consideration for a restaurant, especially right now. Thank you. It's a very simple alteration that could only take a few more steps of machining in an assembly line or a manufacturing process, but it can create a world of difference for the people consuming the food, and it will help ensure that the restaurant using the new container keeps the same quality of service and number of customers coming to them. Thank you for your time.